Weaving all over the road is usually the first sign that someone's been drinking. But very occasionally, alcohol is not to blame. In Florida, a policeman has been trying desperately to catch up with the white sedan in front before the driver does any permanent damage. But he's too late. This time, it's not the fault of some reckless drunk. The poor elderly woman driving this car is on medication. Medication so powerful, she's out cold. And the collision has left a road worker wedged between her car and his truck. The pursuing officer is first to arrive. He seems so shocked by what's just happened that he's unsure how to help. The old lady driver is shaken but seems to have regained consciousness. The road worker, however, is not good. The emergency services take him to hospital. He survives, but the damage caused by the impact was so severe that doctors couldn't save his legs. Mercifully, not all police chases end this badly.